Boy, now you make me float, float, boy, really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, dope, 'cause you.
Literally, for my first time using this stuff, it's the best. The best. I got this from the TikTok shop and I got this one from Amazon and it was so good. Putting them together definitely did work. I had to let it sit and it was good for now until we got to our destination tomorrow. I had to get up at 3 o'clock and also had to do my lashes. So I'll show you guys in that part right there. So give me a second. So right here, I did my individual lashes, which I love doing. They last longer than the strips. So I'm just showing you guys right here that I got this from the TikTok shop. I've been using them for a year now, off and on, and I love them, and I'm gonna link them down below. So we're all set. I had to put the band on just so it can lay. You know, it's not that bad. I'm not going to, complain about it. But at this point, it's time for me to go to sleep. I have to get up at 3 o'clock in the morning. But I wanted to let you guys know where I'm going. I get to go see my family, which I'm so excited about. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep. So right here, I was tired, was not ready to get up, but yeah, we had to because we had to leave literally at 4:15 to get there on time. So I am just getting myself together right here. Okay, so this is the outfit. I think it's cute. I got this from Fashion Nova. It was something quick, and yeah, it's got me looking good or whatever. And I'm so excited. So this morning I am using my spray to boost my energy and just to mist my face to wake me up. I use this pretty much every day, which I need to get some more because when I came back, they said I couldn't even take it because it was too big and I was really hurt. But this is the oil that I use. I use it every day as well, just to help with the dark spots on my face and also to help with any, you know, pores that look huge and everything. Honestly, this stuff is a 10 out of 10 because it has got my skin together, which also I will be doing a video on my skincare because I think it's important just dealing with you know, acne in your late 20s. So yeah, that's a video that y'all going to get. And yeah, look at my skin. And this is the perfume I'm gonna use. It's very subtle, very rosy, vanilla-y, like type of smell. And then I go in with this moisturizer, which is a good one as well, but I use the other one more than this one. But just to help out my skin, just gotta make sure that I continue to use my moisturizer, and that's what I'm showing y'all in this video. Okay, back to the video. So I also was flying with my dog, which was a first. It was hard. I was sweating at the end of this, like it was crazy. But the space was good. We was able to have enough space on the first flight. I don't know what happened on the second flight. I paid for my dog, and honestly, it was bad. We literally did not have enough space anyway. But she was comfortable. She was calm, and all I had to do was just like chill for the rest of the flight. Actually been into this like anime, which has been getting my attention, and yeah, I just needed something to watch because flying with my dog was nerve-wracking, but we got through it. She was calm. We had some people that was very sweet to help us, just strangers, like just helping us, and end up landing safely. She was happy. I was happy. I get to see my family. Was hanging out with my brother, and my brother gave me this drink, and honestly, I would never do it again because my head was hurting afterwards. It just didn't sit right with me. It was way too sweet. But it
that
did
tastes like
good
juice.
the
I see how
first
people
sip.
be like,
But
you know.
yeah,
On
let's get
the
back
way
into the video. I know I'm ranting,
down.
but yeah, I was excited to see my family.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so since I was sweating a lot after the flight, my lace did start to show, and that was from like just sweating. It is not waterproof, but make sure that you know, keep it touched up, which I did afterwards. I got with my little sister, and honestly, it was needed. Just the two of us, you know, chilling, catching up and everything, and just vibing. We end up going to Applebee's, getting a, you know, a little drinky drink, and the food, it was the, you know, appetizer. It was cute. It was pretty good. I will say it was a 10 out of 10.
Who's sexy? I'm sexy. Who's sexy? I'm sexy. Who's sexy? I'm sexy. I'm sexy. Fuck it up. Jersey, fuck it up right now. B-ball, fuck it up right now. DC.
It's you. Oh. You gotta start somewhere, Messiah.
Okay, so I want more cream cheese. I meant mac and cheese.
But
Say hi to the camera, y'all.
I'm not gonna say hi to
Hi.
This for YouTube.
what is it? Thanksgiving 2025.
Okay, Grandma, what are we doing? Why do we have these underneath our eyes today?
Trying to do something about the puffiness.
under there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is supposed to help with
Moisturizing, puffiness and moisturizing.
these are for like if your under eyes are swollen, if for dark circles,
Oh,
you
work
know,
for dark circles too?
yeah,
Okay.
brightening up like underneath their eye and everything. So that's what we were doing, and we just like, I've been doing this, but I was like, I'm trying to put my grandma on because I got it from Amazon and it was only $5.
So yeah, I'm glad you did.
Gotta get it.
Yes.
Gotta get it.
Gotta.
Push it back up.
There we go.
All right. What you give it?
I'm gonna give it a 10.
A 10? 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Clock that. So we got that, what is it called?
Combination fried rice.
There we go. We both was trying to find the words,
Okay, because
but
we couldn't find it.
and then we about to, get a little litty.
Bitty with my titties. Well, our titties.
I literally think Blessing knew that we was going back, and her anxiety was up from when we left from my mom's house to when we got to the airport. And man, it was something else. I was just ready to get it over with because at this point we just had to. So we end up landing safely, and that's the end.